Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 4 of the 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap hosted by Scrappy Tate here on YouTube. How cute! Thank you, Sandy. So Sandy decorated the top of this box. I love how you've always added this little sparkle. And I like this collection. I'm not familiar with the collection. I try not to buy new papers, and so I'm not trying to get into any paper. But this is cute. I like the colors too. And so inside, whoa! Oh, this is so cute. Look at these puff balls. And then she's included beads. Oh, and some jingle bells. Oh, and those pom-poms. I love those. Okay, maybe you guys need to see the box. So this is the stuff she's included. Thank you so much. I love all of this. It is so cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Sandy. So this is day number 4. Stay tuned for the rest of the 24 days of Christmas Secret Santa swap. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing. Joining in us on this crafty journey. I've linked the link to the other participants in my description box below. You can go check them out and see what kind of gifts they're receiving and giving. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.